This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by updating and restarting so the system isn't blocking new permissions. Then open Privacy Settings. This is where Windows or Mac OS centralizes camera and microphone access. Enable both toggles and then go into the apps list to allow your browser or meeting app. Do this now because app-level permission is what actually grants access. Once done, test with a simple camera app to verify the hardware is recognized before moving to driver and browser fixes. Next, focus on drivers and software. Open Device Manager or Mac OS system report to confirm the camera and microphone appear. If a driver is missing or flagged, update or reinstall it. Prefer the laptop maker's driver for best compatibility. For browsers, clear camera and microphone permissions and site data, then restart the browser so it requests permission anew. Make sure the conferencing app is closed when you change drivers or permissions. This prevents conflicts and ensures the app reinitializes the devices correctly. To finish, run a full test. Open a recorder or start a test meeting to check video and audio together. If problems persist, create a fresh user profile or reset the app's preferences so corrupted settings won't block access. Make sure privacy shutters or physical camera switches are open and verify antivirus or firewall isn't blocking device use. If you still have no input, try an external USB webcam or mic to isolate hardware from software. This tells you whether to pursue repair or continue software troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.